My dear listeners of Voice of Saint, today the Mother Church celebrates the feast of Saint Hilarion the Great. Hilarion the Great was an anchorite who spent most of his time in the desert, according to the example of Saint Anthony the Great. While Saint Anthony is considered to have established Christian monasticism in the Egyptian desert, Saint Hilarion is considered by some to be the founder of Palestinian monasticism and venerated as a saint by the Eastern Orthodox and the Roman Catholic Church. Hilarion was born in Tabata, south of Gaza in Syria, Palestine, of pagan parents. He successfully studied heretic with the grammarian Alexandria. It seems that he was converted to Christianity in Alexandria. After that, he shunned the pleasure of his day, theater, circus, and arena, and he spent his time attending church. According to Saint Jerome, he was a thin and delicate youth of fragile health. After hearing of Saint Anthony, whose name was in the mouth of all the races of Egypt, Hilarion, at the age of 50, went with him in the desert for 2 months. As Anthony's hermitage was busy with visitors seeking cures for disease and demonic affliction, Hilarion returned home along with some monks. At Tabata, his parents having died in the meantime, he gave his inheritance to his brothers and the poor and left for the wilderness. Hilarion went to the area southwest of Majoma, the port of Gazia, that was limited by the sea at one side and marshland on the other, because the district was notorious, and his friends and relatives warned him of the danger he was incurring. It was his practice never to abide long time in the same place. With him he took only a shirt of coarse linen, a cloak of skin given to him by Saint Anthony, and a coarse blanket. He led a nomadic life, and he fasted rigorously, not partaking his frugal meal until after sunset. He supported himself by weaving baskets. Despite his best effort to live in prayer and solitude, today's saints found it difficult to achieve his deepest desire. People were naturally drawn to Hilarion as a source of spiritual wisdom and peace. He had reached such fame by the time of his death that his body had been secretly removed so that a shrine would not be built in his honor. Instead, he was buried in his home village. Saint Hilarion the Great, as he is sometimes called, was born in Palestine. After his conversion to Christianity, he spent some time with Saint Anthony of Egypt, another holy man drawn to solitude. Hilarion lived a life of hardship, simplicity in the desert, where he also experienced spiritual dryness that includes temptations to despair. At the same time, miracles were attributed to him. As his fame grew, a small group of disciples wanted to follow Hilarion. He began a series of journeys to find a place where he could live away from the world. He finally settled on Cyprus, where he died in 371 at about age 30. Hilarion is celebrated as the founder of monasticism in Palestine. My dear listeners of Voice of Saints, today as we celebrate the feast of Saint Hilarion the Great, we remember and pray for all the priests and religious who are living a life in solitude, that the good God bless them with good health and be with them in their difficult times and shower His blessings upon them. Amen.